back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a video with my face, and I'm going to be doing the Guess That Beanie Boo challenge. So my mom's going to pick out a couple of Beanie Boos, and I'm going to have to feel them and guess which ones they are. So let's go.
Time for the first Beanie Boo.
Okay. That's a cat! That's a cat! Okay, actually, give me the first Beanie Boo. Okay. Okay, I automatically think I know who this is. This is Alpine. Look at the tag.
No. Dun dun dun. Try again.
Okay. I thought that was a reindeer because it has these.
It is.
It is? Do I have any other reindeer? I have Glitzy, but she has the hard sparkly fabric. This one has the regular fabric.
Starts with an M. No peeking.
Oh.
My God, you don't know your Beanie Boo.
Stop it.
It's Maple.
Dang it. Okay.
Ready for the next one?
Yeah. You said reindeer. Maple's a moose.
That's a reindeer.
It's a moose. Okay. Okay. Monkey
Moose.
ears. Monkey tail. So
Cat.
it's a monkey. Is it? She feels pretty new. I don't have that many monkeys. I think it's Zuri.
Correct.
Yes, let's go. Okay, next one. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I know who this is. This is Jamel the camel. I already know.
That was easy. That was a gimme.
Okay. Okay. What? The legs feel like Phoenix, but it's not Phoenix because Phoenix has big fluffy ears.
I'll give you a hint. It's a custom.
Oh, it's one of my customs? Wait a second. Wait.
No cheating.
I know. He has his ears up. Has a very short
Come
tail.
on.
I'm thinking, okay?
Take a guess.
Is it, I don't know, my custom spirit? It was my custom slush. Dang it. Okay, is that the last one?
No,
Okay.
one more.
One more. Bring it. Okay. Ooh, this one feels really very soft. Okay. So this one must be a new one because it feels extremely soft. He has regular fabric in the ears. I think this is Tiggy.
Correct.
Yay! So that was the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.